Drew doing his obstacle course. And Hunter Mark, the two amigos. Look up. Remember, look where you're going. They have eyes to see what's on the ground. Mir, get out of the way. Mir's an obstacle. Good job, Drew, making her go where you wanted her to. Remember, look around your corner. Look where you want to go. Good job. Look what a nice turn that was because you looked where you were going. Look up, eyes up, and turn to the right around that barrel. Good job. Remember, eyes up, Hunter. Good. Keep your eyes up. Remember, the horses have eyes to see where their feet are. You're responsible for letting them go where you want them to go next. And horses are really intuitive. They say that really good riders just think where they want to go next, and the horse kind of knows. You were thinking the wrong way. It helps the horse if you know what you're thinking yourself, huh?
I'm looking at where I'm going.
I told you, yeah, it's a pretty cool thing once you click with your horse like that. Good. Yeah, because your body does things you don't even realize it's going to do when you think about what you're doing. With your eyes up, eyes up. Good job. I'm super proud of both of you. More energy. There you go. Look where you want to go. Good job. More energy. Keep the energy because she's going to want to stall here. Kick, 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 kick. Look where you want to go. Kick, 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 kick. Don't pull. Kick, 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 kick. Keep kicking. Keep kicking. Keep kicking. There you go. Good job. Oopsie. Good job, Drew. That's a good pony. Good job, Drew. Kick, 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 heels down. We got to get you a pair of boots. Tell your mom you need some cowboy boots. Say, whoa. Say, Mama needs some cowboy boots.
Mama needs some cowboy boots.